Epson L3251 blank printing. It is not printing. When you print it, prints only blank pages. So how to solve this issue? As you can see, I have here I will put something to copy, and if I start copying color or black, it will print blank page only. As you can see, there is no print at all. So how to solve this issue? Now first of all, what you have to do, we will do maintenance of this printer. So as you can see, inks are okay, fine. So what you need to do, just open this cover, and after opening this cover, what you need to do, you will see all the buttons here. So you have to press this button for 5 seconds until you see this light start blinking. So it will start maintenance of the printer, and wait for the few seconds, and it will solve your issue. And if it doesn't work, you can try 2 to 3 times, and it will 100% solve your issue. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Dr. Mama.